Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to blur background image in PPT slide. For this you need to click on the design tab and click on the format background and click on the picture or texture fill. Click on the insert, click from a file and select the image from your computer. For example, I'll select this picture and then head to the effects. Click on that, and in the artistic effect you need to click on this drop down and you need to find here blur effect, and here it is. You just need to click on that and here you can see that. So you need to drag the radius slider to the left for a subtle softening or to the right for the heavy abstract blur. If you are not happy with the blur effect, you can simply reset, and here you can apply to the reset. Click on the blur effect, and if you want to apply this blur effect to the all slides, for this you need to click on the apply to all, and then here you can see that this image has been set on the all slide. So this way you can easily blur background image in PowerPoint. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.